Welcome back, guys. Today I'm taking you project car shopping. Let's hit the road.
Are you listening? Damn.
We've arrived, and the car we are going to look at is a 1984 Mazda RX7. Let's go and take a closer look. So there we go then, guys, the deal is done. We have a Project RX7. Does it tick the boxes of a project car? Is it rusty? Very. Is the paint not as good as it should be? Yes. Does it run? No. Is it on the road currently? No. Is it going to cost a lot of money to do? Yes. Is it fun? Yes. Do I love it? More than I should. So that's going to give me the motivation that I need. This car is going back on the road. Watch this space. First off, big shout out to the previous owner, Gareth. What a real nice guy. Really easy to deal with. It's never easy to knock on someone's door on a Sunday afternoon and say, "Hi, can I buy your car please?" Go away. But nothing like that. Really easy to deal with. Really nice guy. A little bit more about the car. 3 previous owners. Gareth's owned it since 2005. The previous owner was a doctor who also lived in Bristol, who bought it in 1988. And then before that, obviously the first owner had it 84 to 88. It's a 12A bone stock twin rotor on a single carb, and it's been rebuilt. It was rebuilt at 100,000 miles and is currently on 110,000 miles. Anyway, let's just quickly touch on the Austin Healey restoration. No video this week because we're still waiting on the engine crane, but that is coming very, very soon. And me and Dad are going to put the engine in next Saturday. So next Sunday's video will be engine install on the Austin Healey. And if you're sat there thinking, what's Austin Healey restoration, James? What's that? What's that? It's because you haven't been paying attention, you haven't been watching. So if you want to see more Austin Healey restoration, and also if you want to see some Mazda RX-7 restoration, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to turn on the notifications, and follow our journey. It's going to be really cool and really fun. And now we've got a rotary to play with as well. It's going to be even better.